In today's episode, I'm back with another one pot recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. In our one pot today, we'll have some minced meat and some rice, and I'm going to start off by washing my rice, then I'll see you on the other side when we get started. So once my pot is hot enough, I'll go in with a few tablespoons of cooking oil, roughly about 1.5. Once my cooking oil is hot, I'll go in with my ginger. So this particular meal is all about layering. We are going to be adding our ingredients one by one and at different stages. So once this is fragrant, I'll go in with my onions. Then I'm going to saute this till they turn translucent. So once I'm happy with this, I'll go in with my other ingredients. I'll add in some turmeric because I like adding my turmeric direct to the oil. I'm going to add in my minced meat, and if at all you want your dish to have more minced meat than the rice, add more minced meat. If at all you want the vice versa, add more rice. Then I'm going to give this a stir as I break these large balls into small balls. So once I'm happy with this, I'll just add in a few drops of water. Then I'll go in with my garlic. Then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer on low for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now that I'm happy with this, it's time to go in with my other ingredients. I have my carrots, I have some capsicum, and I have some coriander stems. This looks appetizing. Then I'll go in with some tomato paste, about a tablespoon. So I'm going to return my heat to medium. I'm just going to add in a few drops of water so that my tomato paste can have an easy time of cooking. Then I'm going to cover and give it about a minute. So about a minute later, you can see this looks beautiful, and my minced meat has been roughly cooking for about a total of 3 to 4 minutes now. So I'll go in with my rice, my washed rice, and always remember to wash your rice, and always remember to measure your water. So I always measure my rice and water in a ratio of, for every 1 glass of rice or cup of rice, I'll add 2 cups of water. So this already looks beautiful, and it's time to add in my other spices. I'll go in with some masala. Then I'll go in with a beef cube. Then finally I'll go in with my salt. So now it's time to add in my water, and I'm going to measure 2 glasses of water. You can add hot or cold water, either works just as good as the other. And now that I'm happy with this, I'm going to cover it and I'll see once my rice is ready. So I can see that my rice is ready. I'll switch that off. Then I have some capsicum, I have my coriander leaves and some shredded carrots. I'm going to add them right in after mixing them. Then I'm going to cover this for about 5 minutes and I'll see for serving, tasting. So finally my food is ready and I've served mine with an avocado. Wow. This is amazing.